How you doing?
Doing good. Yourself?
I'm gonna catch me.
Hey.
Yeah, she just took off with my yarmulke. Yeah, her mom. I'm not gonna go there, but anyway, she's been in here. Uh, I'm trying to get her back to where she's working on playing on computers in here with me.
Right.
Um, it's still not. I'm working on uh, getting it set up in her room as well, where we can just spontaneously stream or whatever.
Wherever you are.
Yeah.
Right.
Now, I, I had seen continue. What I wanted to segue on this Sadtalker thing because it was kind of like uh, it was an ongoing theme since I started this class. That, hey man, since
I want puppets in my room.
and there's all these
Dad, I want puppets in my room.
put what in your room? Can we do it after my class, dear?
It takes forever.
Yeah, just yeah. I just put that there so you would want to stay in here. She's like, put this little colored light so she'd want to be in here again.
Yeah.
And now she's like, put this in my room.
No, it's a treat for when you're in here.
Yeah.
But confirmation that I'm getting audio on your Twitch stream.
Um, it's coming through.
It is.
Good. I got my category set up, but yeah, like I said, I wanted to segue on this smart talker thing because it's out there on GitHub, but the problem is like that there's that hugging face guy where I was running it from, and there's so many people hitting it that yeah, but installing you know a code development project, dear, look, I'm not bringing the light in there. I'm keeping it in here. So you can get on Roblox over here. Get on Roblox Studio over here. Okay? Don't. Yeah. We may have a meltdown coming here. Yeah. So yeah. And I don't want to seem hard, but I don't. I am very indulgent. And
Well, she's got to learn at some point. That no
yeah,
is no.
yeah, the thing, I have been on her beck and call ever since, early this morning, spoon feeding her, giving her everything, that she asked for, snacks and goodies, and this one period where from 3 to 4, I need to get stuff done. So I don't, in one session, I'm not sure we can get through this, but let's try it.
Okay.
Now, Python, for one thing, we need on our system, and Python is a programming language, a scripting language, and you could say that well, it's definitely worth everybody's while to know a little bit about Python and to have Python installed, because I mean, you could consider Blender itself, the software itself, to really be a giant cluster of Python scripts. So
Right.
It's worth looking at. So what we need to get installed is the Python version 3.10.6. So
3.106.
10.6. So I'm gonna go up here in my taskbar. Just make sure we. Oh look, it's already. You know, I can see So I'm gonna send this across the chat. Right.
Got it.
Yeah. And what we're looking for is way down here at the very bottom. Windows installer 64-bit. So you'd want to click on that. All right. So where did this go? Okay, yeah, here it is. Have you got it yet? I just want to make sure that you go into custom install.
Yeah, I've downloaded it. Unzipped it.
Well, it should have been an exe.
I see the Python.
I'm not sure if I can. I guess what I want to happen is that you run the 64-bit executable and select custom installation and check all the options there. Set up your paths and everything.
It's even sticker.
Oh.
What I've gotten is like a command prompt line.
That's not what you need.
Let's see. Let me go back, make sure I downloaded the.
Thank you, dear.
It's a Tucker.
It's a
Tucker.
Tucker.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. All
Okay,
right.
Windows installer 64-bit.
Yeah, the file should be python-3.10.6-amd64.exe.
Right, got it. Install now. Yes. It says setup was successful. new to Python, da da da. See what's new. Disable path length limit.
Now, when you installed it, did you select custom installation and check all the check boxes?
I did not, so I will.
Okay,
this.
go and uninstall it and reinstall it. And when you run the installer, it's gonna come up after it's been uninstalled cleanly. It'll come up with an option to do a custom installation. When it comes up with that, you want to check everything that in the custom installation check boxes.
Okay. Uninstall.
In Georgia, where children work day and night in the cotton mills, they have just passed a bill to protect songbirds. What about the little children from whom all song is gone? In Georgia, where children work day and night in the cotton mills, they have just passed a bill to protect songbirds. What about the little children from whom all song is gone? In Georgia.
I did get the ones that wouldn't work yesterday.
Jesus wept. In Georgia, where children work day and night in the cotton mills, they have just passed a bill to protect songbirds. Jesus wept. In Georgia, where children work day and night in the cotton in Georgia, where children work day and night in the cotton mills, they have just passed a bill to protect. Jesus wept.
Yes, Jerry. How's it going there?
It's uninstalling.
Yeah. Okay. The I'm gonna send you another link and go ahead and try and get the 64-bit get for Windows set up. Did that come through? Yeah, okay. Can you see that?
Yeah. And what is this program?
It's Get. It's gonna help you manage code libraries.
I didn't know
Close the. You can have that, dear, but close the refrigerator door, please. Close the door to the refrigerator. Thank you.
So I'm wanting to get the standalone installer.
64.
Or the first one. Click here to download the latest 2.42.
No. Okay. You're gonna see. You're gonna see other Get Windows download standalone installer 64-bit Get for Windows setup. Go ahead and get that.
And can I install it before Python?
I would.
Not.
Yeah. Let's.
Close.
The reason I say that is because I just got this whole thing to work myself. and I don't want to be too cavalier. Um,
All right, 1 second. So I'm going to start with Windows on Python, Windows installer 64-bit.
right.
Gonna open.
Oh, so you're ready. You're ready to install Python now.
Right. So install now. So I click on install.
There should be a custom.
Well, when I click on it, I'm not given the option of custom. Let's see. Let's see. Cancel.
This is where I would like to, just power, have a machine that was powerful enough where I could power on, a virtual machine and just run through it. Because if I, since mine's already installed, if I try to run it again, it's going to give me that repair
Right.
thing.
All right, let me see. In theory, let's see, Explorer. Downloads.
I tell you what, could you share your screen with me? Present.
Yeah, 1 second. Let me delete something. All right, 1 second. Back in program. It's the meeting. And I'm sharing, should be sharing my download screen.
Okay. I don't see the executable file there. I see.
1 second.
So can you go back to the web page?
Alright, so I'm on the Python page.
Okay, keep scrolling down.
And
Okay,
the very bottom right here, the Windows installer 64-bit.
yeah, download that.
Open it or save it.
Just save it. I want to see what it is. I don't know why you got what you got.
Are you seeing that install now?
No, all I see is your web page.
Alright, 1 second. Let me. Share. Alright, so I've got this. It says install now.
Okay, no, don't hit that. Don't hit that.
Oh, custom.
Stop.
It's
Yeah.
the custom installation.
Right. Okay. Yeah. Okay. That's good. Yeah. So yeah. Now hit next.
Next.
Okay.
Check everything.
Yeah. Check everything. Install for all users. Check that one at the top. All right. There you go. All right. Good. I forgot to bring in my ghost.
Ah.
Okay, when it's done, let's go to the get installer.
Okay. Yeah.
And did you get an executable for that? Let me see.
I stopped sharing. I'm letting Python get through.
Okay, okay.
It is this one.
Oh yeah, did you put it together? Wow. Can I show? Hold
Your
on.
box.
So
Wow, that's cool.
did you have your chocolate snack? That was a special surprise for you. You found it.
Yeah.
You look very nice with the Seal of Solomon on you. Good. You did it all by yourself. Yeah. Super smart. Careful not to pull the whole refrigerator off the shelf. Yeah. It's gonna fall. I don't know. I don't know who came up with that surprise egg thing, but man, kids love that. I guess we had that cracker snack or whatever.
Right. Cracker Jacks.
They call them cracker snacks. The black kids call it. When I'd be on my way to Wadsworth, I would be with all those little black kids, and they would always have wisecracks like that. You got some cracker snacks? And I didn't know what it meant, you know. I didn't know what hunky was, you know.
Right.
That's you. The
All right.
raw
So 64-bit for Windows, and that's the GIT.
Yeah.
All right. Save.
But they had that little prize in it, you know, some kind of stick-on tattoo or something.
Right.
Really gross. You lick it and put it on your arm. Like some gooey looking tattoo. Stupid. We liked it. Yeah, I loved it.
Oh, when it wasn't like they were mispronouncing Cracker Jacks. They were saying Cracker Snacks. As you
Cracker
being-
snacks, yeah.
You're a cracker.
Yeah, because you're a cracker. And the kid, he would say, I would ask, what is a hunky, right? And I was confused for years because I didn't know it was spelled. I thought it was HU, and the reason was because we're going up the street, and the ice cream truck.
Yeah, they used to sell a hunky, you know,
Yeah,
ice cream thing.
yeah. He was like, yeah. The first time he called me a hunky, I was like, is this something bad? And then the next time, the ice cream truck came, and he was like, no, it's good, see? And he got the hunky stick thing, and he took the stick, and
Right.
he gave it to me. I was like, what's this? He said, this is for you, hunky. It's a hunky stick. You keep that. And I did. And Mom was like, what is this nastiness? Why on earth would you keep that? And she bought me, I don't know if you remember, but she figured I wanted to make those crafts or whatever, and she bought a bunch of those little popsicle sticks so I could glue them together and make those little crafts.
Right.
And I didn't know it was
A derogatory.
a derogatory epithet directed against members of the Caucasian persuasion, which is like years later when I finally figured out you had to look up HO instead of HU, and some dictionaries would have hunky like a muscular guy. You know, I was like, oh, is that what it means? Tough guy, muscular guy.
All right, so I've got Python installed, and I clicked and downloaded the GIT.
Okay, have you got get installed yet?
I did.
Completely installed.
I clicked on it and it downloaded, and I think it did what it was supposed to do.
Okay. Let's see. So I guess
It wasn't like it gave me a big dialogue or anything.
Okay, well, after in a minute, when we use it, we'll find out if it's working or not. That's for sure. All right. But there's another code management thing now that we want to install. So if the dust is settled and everything, we're gonna install Chocolatey. Let me see if I can send you the link. And this, I want you to don't go fast. Don't mess this up. Okay.
Alright.
You need to go really slow. Step by step. Okay. So, and these things is like they automate a lot of process. You know what we're dealing with is we're dealing with code libraries. It's the code, right? It's not a compiled executable, right?
Right.
So we need to assemble it into something, and that involves copying stuff to particular places and telling different parts where the other parts are, and what these things like get and Chocolatey are going to help automate that, so you don't have to sit there and blah 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 type all this stuff
Cool.
perfectly. All right, so
I see that chocolatey.
the Chocolatey web page, right? And you're gonna you'll see up there on step 1. It's like you want to do an individual Chocolatey installation, right?
So I need to put my email address.
No, well, I didn't put my email address in there.
Okay.
That's
what's it?
no, that's
That's okay.
no.
Choose your installation method.
All right.
Individual. Okay, I see that. Individual.
Yeah. So click
Install.
that, and then okay. Now, what we want is a PowerShell. So
All right, 1 second. Let me get back to.
how long is it? But it's done, I think.
There's the entire screen. Did I give you enough information?
All right.
Can you see what I'm doing?
Yeah. So, and I'm bringing it across my now. On your search bar down there, what I want you to do is go down there and start typing POW.
1 second. On the very bottom right by the Windows thing where it says type search here, POW.
Yeah, POWE.
And it says PowerShell, and then it says PowerShell.
Okay. Now wait. Don't do anything. When it pops up there should be an option to run it as an administrator.
Well, I'm trying to figure out which PowerShell. In other words, there's one that says Windows PowerShell, then it says Windows PowerShell ISE.
There should be an app that comes up at the very top, and all that other stuff should be done.
Oh yeah, I see that. It says Power Producer app.
No, PowerShell. Windows PowerShell.
Yeah, I see that. And then there's a little arrow to the side.
Actually, I tell you what.
Okay, I see run as an administrator.
Well, no. Okay, back away from that.
All
Down in your search bar, in the bottom, I want you to
Right.
continue typing
Right.
R and S.
RS.
Okay, now, so you had that Power Producer crap on there, and that superseded this. Now you see Windows PowerShell app, right? And there's a run as administrator, and
Right.
you want to run that as an administrator.
Okay.
All right, it looks like you're in a PowerShell. Let me see if I can get in one too.
Of course, my question is why does it say 32?
Oh, wait a minute. Mike, hi, Mike. Oh, you couldn't capture a point. Oh, man. Because the enemies were firing at you from everywhere. Happens to me all the time. They blow me away. Okay, let me see. If I gotta, hold on. I gotta get this PowerShell running. Alright. Now, oh, why does it say System 32?
Right.
That's where your stuff is.
Oh, okay.
Uh,
But System 32 doesn't mean 32-bit system.
no, well, That's a good question. I don't know. Wait a minute. Let me not get confused here. Now, can you see? You cannot. Stop sharing. And I want you to go back to your chocolatey.
I see where it says accept. Well, it says Choco uses cookies to enhance. I don't want to accept that. So
I don't want you to run anything right now. We're trying to set up your PowerShell.
all right.
So what on the chocolatey page there with PowerShell, you want to run get execution policy. Can you see where I'm highlighting that?
Well, I see get execution policy. So can I just copy that and paste it?
Copy. All right. Now I'm going to bring this over to the prompt here and Control V. There it is. And run it. Right? Now, mine says all signed.
Yours says what? All what?
What does yours say?
Mine just says get execution policy. That was the first.
No. Okay. Yeah.
Let me get on a screen I can blow up larger.
What you type or you paste get execution policy at the System 32 prompt, the C.
Right. Yeah, I've done that. Do I hit enter?
Yeah, you hit enter and tell me what it says.
Restricted.
Right. Okay, so that's what we do not want. Right?
Right.
So look down there. Okay, see where it says if it returns restricted, then run set execution policy all signed.
All right, 1 second. So I copy that.
Paste it and then run it. I don't need to run it myself because mine's already set.
Mine says execution policy change. This execution policy helps protect you from scripts that you do not trust.
Right. Right. I know.
So,
yeah.
Do you want to change policy? So I hit Y for yes.
Yeah.
Or do I want A for all?
Y.
Y. Okay.
All right. So back on the page where you just got your execution policy command.
Right.
There's a little wireframe box there with a copy button on the far right of it. This is what you want to run. So you copy that.
So I start with execution policy bypass
-scope process -4 system.net blah 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 all that stuff. So there's a blue copy button on the far right of that.
Doing something.
Good. Now you can go ahead, if you go back to the web page on step number 5, it says if you don't see any errors, you're ready to use Chocolatey. Type Choco or Choco -? I recommend do the one with the question mark so you can begin to get familiar with it.
version 2.2.2. And then it comes back with the PSC, Windows System 32.
Uh-oh. My daughter just dropped something. Oh, somebody's talking to me about all the weapons and stuff. The Gear Hub update. Okay.
So are you seeing
No,
that?
I got to check my daughter.
You go right ahead.
Where, Ken? Where do you get those big? Those big like water cooler jugs.
Where do you get them?
Yeah, like just an empty one. I guess you could get a full one. That would not be wouldn't hurt to get a full one. I guess maybe that'd be easier. I just like
Well, they used to be made out of glass, and people would use them to make beer, and then they went to plastic. And I guess the only place I've really seen them is at like grocery stores where you can refill them. But I'm not sure I've ever seen
I've
the
been
empty ones.
there's a play. I keep going by Walmart, and there's none of the jugs. There's just like this big rack or something.
Refill station, right?
Yeah, I don't know. All right. So, you wanna show me what you?
Can you see the blue screen that I shared with you?
Well, it's not presenting right now. I'm not.
Let's see. Stop sharing. And entire screen.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So you're good. All right. At the prompt now, we're gonna issue a command. Let me put the command in the chat, and you can copy it to the prompt there. That come through?
Yep.
No on this thing. I'm gonna start typing this command for get now.
All right, I'm getting it. Do you want to run the script? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes. What is a shim? SHIM.
Just a minute. Uh, I'm checking this. Okay. What is your question?
What is a SHIM?
I don't know. Where do you see that?
And it says has successfully created a SHIM for ffmpeg executable.
Okay, I think that's what you want. Can let's see. I can't see your screen though. That should be right. So this text that I put in the chat, git clone, https ://github.com/ winfredy/sadtalker.get should you want to
Paste.
run that.
So do I paste it on the command line?
Yeah. Oh no, it failed, didn't it?
Yeah.
You
It
you
turned
you,
red. Yeah.
you need to
Just click on the link.
no. First of all, decide where you want to install Sadtalker. What is the location that you want it to be in?
Just on my C drive.
On your C drive.
All
Okay.
right.
All right. So go to a file explorer.
All right, 1 second. All right, navigate to my C drive.
Yeah, C:.
All right, then I see, boot and names.
Wait. C:. Okay. All right. All right. So up there at the top, type in front of the C, type CMD. Well, no, wait a minute. It's got to be
Now, am I talking about in the window I've opened or on the search window?
C:. All right, now CMD. So, let me. Where's my magnifier? I don't see it. Well, okay, it's not started yet. Hold on. All right, can you? You cannot.
All right, wait a second. I
Stop.
see. Wait a
Stop
second.
presenting.
Yeah. In other words, I can't. All right, 1 second. I'm looking at it on the Twitch screen, so I need to go to my PC, C drive, this PC, C drive.
Stop presenting.
C/.
All right. I don't know. If you can see my screen is magnified now.
Right.
So just click right here, and then it
One
highlights
second.
everything,
One
and you
second.
type
Well,
CMD.
One second. Let me. All right, go back. So you're what do I select? Go back. All right, so you're all right, C drive.
Um,
So where do I type in CMD?
all right. Now, can you see where my mouse is?
Yeah, on all right, where it says C.
All
All
right.
right,
So I click that
and
and
do C
I type
CMD.
CMD, enter. All right. And that's gonna open. Um, right now, that's where you're gonna. If that's where you're gonna put your Sadtalker, then you're gonna copy the git clone with the link to that prompt.
All right, 1 second. I got someone trying to call me. I'm trying to hang up. There you go. I'm still having trouble getting into the this PC C drive. This PC.
Um, if you're stuck with that's kind of just a quick trick to get in the path that you want to be on.
All right, so I'm at C semicolon slash, and after that, what do I need to type? CMD. In other words, I'm seeing the root directory of my C drive.
What? Um, yeah. Uh, if you watch here, well, let me let me do this again, and I want you to see if you can watch carefully. Like here, can you see that?
Right, I'm see that.
All right. So I clicked one time. Well, no, let's see. All right. So you see that, right?
All right, 1 sec. All right, let me. All right, so it's all right. I see this PC.
CMD. That's it.
Yeah, 1 second. I'm trying to get to this. Yeah, it doesn't like it.
All right. What I'd like you to do is this. Go to your search bar.
Right.
The very bottom left, and then just hit CMD down there,
See. All
and
right.
it's gonna come up, and it's gonna have a thing that says command prompt,
Right.
and just click on it and see where it goes.
Yeah, it went to user slash
Okay.
UK
All right.
listener. Yeah.
So we want to go CD. I guess it's CD backslash enter.
All right, 1 second. CD
Backslash enter.
backslash. 1 second. I gotta find the backslash. All right. So now I'm at C semicolon backslash with a
C
yeah the
colon
thing.
backslash greater than.
Right.
All right, so that's where you want to put get space clone, that whole thing that I sent. Get space clone, the thing that I put in the chat.
Right. What was that? Copy that. It's saying get is not recognized as an internal or external command.
Did you get installed?
I thought I did. Maybe I didn't.
Yeah, let's go ahead and go back to the get installation. Let me
I clicked to download the latest standalone 64-bit.
That's what you want, and you want a file that says
Yes. Yeah, I didn't get this screen. It says GNU General Public License. Yeah. And it says select components. Do I just do the default?
yeah.
Oh, excuse me.
All right, we're about to. Yeah, we may be close to getting cut off. So, there's a. We'll just see if we get cut off. Just
Yeah, I'm gonna try to do the copy this git clone now.
once get is installed, that should respond to you.
Well, I'm pretty sure I installed it, but it's saying it's not recognized as a internal or external command.
Let's see. I'm gonna go and see if I can.
Let me see something. I'm gonna do a screen. It may have fixed the problem. Let's see. Of course, now my C prompt says, the greater than git clone HD. It's saying that, and then it says winfrees sadtalker.gt.
Is it installing?
I'm not sure. Let me. If we hopefully we still have time. Let's see. Where's the meeting? Share. Can you see that?
That's too small.
Trying to share just the window. Can you see that?
Yeah. So run it.
So I just hit enter.
Yeah.
I'm getting that same thing. Get is not recognized as an
It means
internal.
get's not there. Let's let me see. I'm going over to no, it's not what I want. What do we got?
On my end, I'll try to download Get again.
It should be get 2-2.42 blah blah blah.
Well, when I was installing it, I just did the default. I just did next, next, next on everything it prompted me to. So let's see.
I'm running it again. GNU General Public License. Next. Yeah, next. Next. Let get decide. Next. Get from the command line and also from third-party software. Use bundled OpenSSH. Use the OpenSSL library. Check out Windows style, commit Unix style line endings.
Because I'm downloading it again right now. So
Still there?
Yeah, I'm still here trying to figure out what I'm doing.
All right.
But I think we're getting ready to end. But
Well,
I'll try to.
hold on a second.
But what I'm gonna try to do is go back and watch this Twitch uh, once you saved it and see if I can't figure out what I did wrong.
Okay. Let me. There's a bunch of. Hold on a second. I'm looking around. Check this guy out. Did that come through?
What am I looking for?
A link. A YouTube link. On how to install Sadtalker.
We just got the 15-minute warning. Okay, let
Well,
me.
doing better than I thought.
Yeah, I'm gonna copy all that. Oh, I got indigestion. So that last link is how to install Sadtalker. So I'm assuming it walked you through all the things you walked me through.
It's exactly. Yeah. Well, 99%.
Okay.
Um.
And I'll just figure out what I did wrong.
Yeah.
Cool.
All right. All right. There's more to it, though. The thing is, once you're at the point of when Git is running, then the software will install. Once it's installed, you're going to create a directory called checkpoints, and you're going to go back to the GitHub page, and you're going to download the trained files. It's 2 big files, like 2 or 3 gigs worth of data. You're going to put that and set up these directories or whatever. So it's not, we're not at the done point yet.
Right.
But check it out. I know it probably seems like, whoa, at first. But after a couple times, you'll. There's a lot of reasons why, to being able to work with stuff from GitHub and
Right.
It's real worthwhile. All right. All right. So I'll see you next time.
All right. I'll see you tomorrow.
All right. Take care.
All right.
Thanks
Thank
for
you,
tuning in.
Dave.
All right. Bye.